Hello everybody, my name is Mike. Today you could say that we're pulling a Moses. We're parting the waters.
Hallelujah, 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 hallelujah,
Yes, it's a horrible bag.
Okay, if you've been following the channel, you recognize the car. This is the waterlogged S500, my $500 Mercedes from Copart, with the fancy shoes right there. What's going on is when it rains, water comes in here from the top of the car right there. It gets into the cabin and then it ends up way back here under the seat, under the carpet right there, and there is a signal acquisition module that controls a lot of things under the seat, and it gets full of water. So I've been letting this air out, and see that piece of wood right there? That's helping me air everything out. It's been 2 weeks. 2 weeks I've been waiting for a part to come in. Why? We've ordered three times I've had to order something from eBay. The first two were really crappy. Let me show you what happened. All right, this is the part that we're talking about. This is the cowl heater air duct, and it sits in the car just like this. Water comes in here, and it's supposed to come out right there. The problem is, look, this is the first one that I ordered off of eBay. See this right here? Yeah, it's cracked, it's broken. It's gonna let the water come out and then get into the car before it hits the drain part of the car. Okay, so this one was bad. Okay, so I ordered another one. Look at that, it's even worse. See, it's missing, and people are selling these like they're good. That one is terrible. So what I did, I bought a third one, and I asked them to look at the nipple. I guess that's what you would call it. So I'm unboxing this. I got this today. Oh, and look at that. It looks good, doesn't it? Yeah, look at that, see? So what happens is the water actually comes out the end before here. Wait, is that broken? No, that's okay. Whew. Okay, so the water, this kind of sits inside a little receiver thing, and then the water comes out and it goes down beneath the car, and it does not get inside and then destroy your computer under your rear seat. So this is a good one. All right, so we're going to put this in. Thank you very much, Mercedes, for making a hood that goes all the way up and down. Look at that, almost straight up and down, because you have these two little hinges right here. Pop that in, see that? Pull it like that, and the hood goes all the way back. So what we have to do to get to this is actually remove part of this plastic trim right here. Now to do that, follow your windshield wiper, and you have two little plastic covers right here. So you pop that off. You have two 15mm nuts right here, super easy to get to. But before it comes off, a trick that I do is I mark the location of the windshield wiper, so when you put it back on, you know, you're not too high, you're not too low, you're just right. Okay, so take off the windshield wiper. You can move this out of the way, and then there are a couple of 10mm bolts. There's one right there, and then there's another one, I believe it's right here, and perhaps another one right there. Okay, so that makes three. There's three of them. Then an electrical connector here, an electrical connector there, and this whole unit will just come out. Easy peasy. We have it out now, and what I want to show you guys is what it looks like without this air duct in it. Okay, well, you can see first of all how dirty your air filter is. Yuck. I really changed that. Well, I guess I've had the car about a year maybe. I don't know. Okay, so another project. But this is where all the water goes, right here. And that nipple, remember the nipple? If it's cracked, the water is going to come out through here, and it's going to work its way into the cabin going that away. Okay, so this is important to have. There's a little rubber thing right there because this is what fits inside of it, and it lets the water drain underneath the car. To get this out, there were 3 10mm bolts. There's 1, 2, 3. I had to undo a couple of plastic screw clips. There was one here and one right down there, and then this thing just lifts out of the way. So I'm going to kind of clean that out a little bit. Then I'm going to put the unit in, and I'm going to button it up, and then just like Moses, we've parted the waters. We have diverted the waters and saved thousands and thousands and thousands of lives. In classic fashion, there's a monkey wrench that's been thrown into this. Ha! You get it? Monkey wrench, Mike? Okay, this is the one I got off of eBay, okay? It's missing the electrical connector. So that part has to come off, and it gets transferred over here. I don't know if they even left those on the other two. Okay, whatever this is, it's got to come off, and look what Mike did. I broke it. Yeah, isn't that great? So I get to fix that. It's starting to rain, of course, again here in Oklahoma. And I got to get that on there. So let me figure out how this comes off. We'll go inside, wait for the rain to pass. Hopefully this too shall pass. There we go. Hail Mary, full of grace, Dominus Nabisco cookie. And we'll get this all buttoned up, and then I can drive it in the rain. And just like that, we have plastic welded the little clip. Look at that. Just a little bitty crack on that side. Some plastic welding, which is the most amazing stuff I've ever used in my life. I'm going to use this on bumpers and everything else. So now all we have to do is attach this. It just sits right on top, just like that. And then 2 little screws, and it's job well done, as Ed used to say on Wheeler Dealers. I don't know, can I say that? I do like Ant. I think he's doing a great job, and Mike has just gone off the chain with what he's saying. He's so funny. So anyway, look at that. 1, 2 little screws. The electrical connector is all together, and that concludes another video. Guys, thank you very much for watching. Hope you've learned something. This is super easy to do. The part was actually, it's between $50 and $100 on eBay, but you have to check the nipple. You got to check the nipple to make sure that it's not cracked or anything. Putting it on is easy. Saving the car, super, super easy. So with that, I'm going to say thanks for watching. Please like, please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.